Capacity leader of PDP from the government area is the Honorable Engineer Samuel Nwanosike, JP. PDP. Power to the people. PDP.
Anyone, I'm the cow. Let's high church government. I'm the cow. Elekuna Bamba. I'm the cow. Nwanosike. Ele Masagri. Ele Mabashiri Sagri. Ele Waya Sagri. Ele Mabatesa Sagri. Ele Shigamama Sagri. Aka. I want to plead that the chairman of the People's Democratic Party, Kiaska Committee, Barrister Bosori Chiwobodo, and his team allow me to speak based on established protocol by the organizers of this program. Let me apologize that I came a few minutes late to this event. Having said this, I want to thank all our leaders who are here today to see the unveiling of the Kiaska Committee that have been working since they got their mandate from the National Secretariat of People's Democratic Party so many weeks ago. This event is to show to the people of the world that the Ikwere Local Government People's Democratic Party is intact, is on ground, and is fully in charge of the political affairs of the Ikwere Local Government. Why would they be in charge? They are in charge because they have broken all known political records that dividends of democracy can avail any people.
Yes, sir.
We want to challenge all those who are masquerading themselves as former governors of Rivers State. All those who are masquerading themselves as those who have held one political office or the other in Rivers State and in Nigeria. What did you bring to the Ikwere local government when you were in office?
Nothing.
Including those who are serving now in the National Assembly. What have you brought to the people of Ikwere local government? In fact, some of them were local government chairmen. They had the offices that we have developed our people. What did they bring home? Nothing. They were in the saddle when crime and criminality took over Ikwere local government. I believe so. They all ran away. In fact, when our people ran away from our houses, our son was the governor of Rivers State, correct? Yes. Our son was the governor of Rivers State when Ubina people ran into the bush and abandoned their homes. And as far as he was concerned, he didn't give a damn. Here in the Ikwere local government, we had local government chairmen who were receiving allocation. Yet, our local government council looked like forest where people go to farm and kill grass cutters and antelopes. Trees were growing in offices. They have all gathered again. They have formed a new cartel.
They will fail.
Under a name that makes no meaning. Somebody say he's simplified. Meanwhile, he's breaking all known laws of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria that he swore an oath to uphold. And he thinks Nigerians are illiterate like him. He thinks Nigerians are daft like him. You swore an oath to uphold the Constitution of Nigeria. Every day you are breaking that same Constitution. For us, We will remain on the side of the law. We are not afraid of whatever they will bring our way. As long as the law is constant, as long as the Constitution of Nigeria, as altered in 1999, remains constant, we will stand with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We have had a lawyer address us here, and they have laid instances of relevant laws. So, my brothers and my sisters, I want to remind you that there was a time in this local government that somebody told us that they had zero allocation. Have you know so?
And the zero has not come up.
He did not do nothing.
Zero.
The 3 years he was in office. Do
Zero.
you know what they have gathered? They want to go back to the era where they will collect our local government allocation and use it for their personal use. And I will agree on work. Are we going to go back to Egypt? We will agree to go back to Egypt. We will never go back to Egypt. All of them that have gathered under whatever umbrella they call themselves, targeting our location to share among themselves. We stand tall to say that we are given an opportunity to serve Ikwere people. And everything we told our people when we came to seek for their mandate, we have completed all of them 100%. All. We did not leave one. All. We completed all 100%. So tell them that as long as they have 2 hours of assembly, all their action is far. I have seen security agents here. I have seen the police. I have seen civil defense. I have seen DSS. I have seen INEC. I have seen everybody here, and they are hearing me clearly. The law of Nigeria is clear. Those that manage the affairs of local government, and it's called the Liver Status of Assembly. If INEC today that we have in Nigeria has recognized the Martins Amewule-led House of Assembly, who are you to say Martins Amewule is not the House of Assembly?
Authentic.
If Martins Amewule says that because the governor of Rivers State failed in his duty to conduct local government election, and that I, Dr. Nwanosike Samuel Osorichi, who stand up by the oath of office I took, and certificate of return I was issued when I contested my second tenure election, that we should remain in office, so shall we remain in office. We are sending a message to those who are threatening. Wear your jeans. Do like this. Don't do like this. We don't wear jeans in the Ikwere local government. We tie wrapper. We wear bakata. We will wait for you. Come and disobey the law. The law of Nigeria is the law passed by Martins Amewule. If they buy you well, they buy you well. They buy you well. They buy you well. They buy you well. Show your face. Thank you.